Welcome to this tutorial on the iRa C3 mobile solution for the iPhone and iPod Touch. On the main screen of the application, you'll see 6 live video feeds based on the cameras that you have configured. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the dots that tell us we have multiple pages of cameras. By dragging a finger across those cameras, I can take a look at the next page of 6 cameras. In the upper right, the gear icon takes us into the settings screen for more advanced settings. And the group button allows us to quickly bring up a list of groups. It's a scrolling list, so I can drag a finger and move that list up and down, and select a group to change to a different group of cameras. Once I've identified a camera of interest, I can single tap to bring it up full screen. Once in full screen, you'll note the icons in the bottom right that tell us if it's a controllable camera, and if it's controllable, how I can control it. The icon on the right tells us that it is drag controllable, meaning that I can take a finger, touch the screen, the tree here in this case, and drag it to the right. The circle that's appearing tells me that if I continue to hold my finger on that circle, it'll do a continuous pan. So if I drag to the left and put my finger in that circle, it continues to go in that direction. The next icon tells us that the camera is double tap controllable, meaning that I can double tap on the screen and the camera will recenter where I have double tapped. There are 2 different types of zoom control as well. The first, with 2 fingers here shown as the circles, is the pinching motion, where if I spread the video apart with my fingers, the camera zooms in. If I pinch my fingers together, the camera zooms back out. The second zooming mechanism is to take 2 fingers and tap once on the top of the screen to zoom in, or to tap once on the bottom of the screen to zoom out. The double tap and the tap zoom controls work very well in a high latency environment where a dragging motion might not be as intuitive. By tapping once on the screen, I can bring up the title bar across the top that includes an icon to capture a screenshot. That screenshot is watermarked and time-stamped so that I can look at that image in the iPhone photo album itself.